Okay, this is a very quick video on how you can complete this Gemz daily combo. And one of the card for this daily combo of today is this airdrop. And this airdrop, you cannot buy it with your token yet, but then you have to ask your friend to send this to you as a gift. Then when your friend send it to you as a gift, you can also send it to your friend as a gift as well. I have already sent to some people, and I will leave the link to receive this in the comment section below, so you can simply click on it and then you will receive this, and that is how you can complete your daily combo on this Gemz. I have asked someone to send me his own link as well, and I will show you how to go about it now. So shout out to this person. He actually reached out to me concerning this, and then I sent him my own link. Then I requested for his own link as well. So let me click on it, launch. Then airdrop received, and as you can see, your friend Valiant surprise package share the airdrop card with you. You will now earn this per hour. So let me just gift back. So I have already done that, so there is no need. So that's how you get the airdrop, and as you can see, it has complete the daily combo for today, and that is how you run this. So don't forget to like this video and share it for more tappers to see. See you on the next one. Peace out.